Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, March 10th, and this is my recap at the top of your videos of Friday. And Friday, gold came in number 3, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on gold versus the dollar, make sure you check out the video I made Friday, linked at the end of this video over here. So we did have a bounce on the 361% Fibonacci extension of what I think is the wave one, projected off what I think is the wave two. That is very high, and it does seem like it would start a wave four pretty soon. But when you have a nice uptrend like this, you really need to enjoy it. We have no breaker structure to the downside. We have no lower high. This is for sure still an uptrend, and there's nothing to say that this may not just keep on trending up. I think it's a wave three of wave three, unlike the weekly and monthly time frame. So I really wouldn't be surprised at all if it just kept on making higher highs, higher lows. I am definitely a buyer, at least until we get a breaker structure to the downside. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, I guess the most recent significant structure is actually right here. So if price did go down and break that, I guess you could start looking for shorts at that point, probably the beginning of a wave four. But like I said, there's no reason to say this trend is over, and it may just keep on making higher highs, and just keep on trending up, which is why until I get a breaker structure to the downside on the 4 hour time frame and up, I am definitely doing nothing but looking for longs at the end of pullbacks on these shorter time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.